What's that, Kaden?
What's that? Give it to mommy. Kaden, what are you doing?
Say, all right. Say please. Here, baby, take this out so I can.
It's like recycle. You better open it up.
Remember how to do the paper? Oh yeah, he does.
Oh, yeah. He's gonna be upset like that. Is he gonna like?
Put Buzz down, buddy. Put Buzz down. Yeah, put.
Watch him just like run around. Yeah, Buzz Woody. If he says like that,
Cynthia,
on your foot.
help him open it up so I can get.
Come on, baby.
This isn't like 10 minutes long. I think I'm just gonna flip it over.
Get it out. Open it up.
He's like, don't ruin the paper. Flip it over.
Come on. Open the box. Open the box. What's in there?
Oh God.
Oh my goodness! What is it?
Oh God. Oh my God, it's a poop.
What is this, Kaden? Oh my goodness! It's Buzz! Oh, it's Buzz!
Buzz? Who's that, Kaden?
What else is in the box?
Buzz?
What else is in here?
I bet it's Woody
Look in here.
or something.
Oh, what's in there?
What else?
Woody.
Kaden, what is in there? Oh my goodness.
I'll get that.
What is that?
Who's that?
Woody? Is it Woody? Oh my goodness.
Woody? Who's that? Who's that, Kaden? Woody?
Woody's hat?
Hat? Yeah. Want Daddy hold it? Where's Buzz? Whoa.
Whoa.
Kaden. What do you say? Thank you.
No, that's thank you, Tata. Say thank you, Tata.
Kaden, say bye. Say bye.
Say bye.
Say bye, Kaden. Say thank you.
Say thank you, Tata.
Say thank you, Kaden.
Say thank you, Tata.
Kaden.
Kaden.
Hey, say thank you.
Tata. Yes, Buzz Woody.
Buzz and Woody. All right, buddy. Say bye. Say bye.
Bye.